In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix not enough memory or disk space in Microsoft Word. This error can be really frustrating, especially when you're just trying to open or save a document and Word suddenly refuses to cooperate. The good news is that in most cases, the problem isn't that your computer is truly out of memory or storage. Instead, it's usually caused by temporary files, add-ins, or settings that are getting in the way. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through practical things you can try, in a clear and simple way, to get Word working again. First, close Word completely. Make sure no Word windows are open, and give it a few seconds to fully shut down. If Word seems frozen, you can use Task Manager on Windows or Force Quit on a Mac to close it. Restarting the app is often the quickest way to clear small glitches from memory. Next, check that you actually have some free space on your main drive. On Windows, open File Explorer, click on this PC, and look at your main disk, usually the C drive. Ideally, you want several gigabytes of free space. If it's nearly full, try deleting files you don't need, empty your recycle bin, and remove any large downloads you no longer use. On a Mac, you can click the Apple menu, choose About this Mac, then Storage to see how much space is left. Freeing up space here can instantly resolve the error. If you do have plenty of space, the next thing to try is disabling Word add-ins. Open Word again, but this time start it in safe mode, so it loads with the minimum features. On Windows, you can usually do this by holding down the Control key while you open Word, then confirming that you want to start in safe mode. Once it's open, try opening the same document. If it works in safe mode, one of your add-ins is likely causing the problem. Go into the Options menu, then Add-ins, and disable any non-essential add-ins one by one, restarting Word each time until the error no longer appears. Another helpful step is to clear out Word's temporary files. Close Word, then navigate to your temporary or cache folders and remove old Word temp files. These are usually safe to delete and can fix strange behavior when they become corrupted. Finally, make sure Word and your operating system are fully updated. Install any pending updates, then restart your computer and test Word again. Follow these steps carefully, and in most cases, you'll be able to get past the not enough memory or disk space method.